In this box is something which I've wanted to get for quite some time now. This is softbox lighting, and I've bought this for my new setup in my new house. Now this was 4.5 star rated and it was Amazon's choice. I didn't really know what I was going for, so I went for something which had a good rating and was within the budget. This is by a company called Raleno and the model is a PS40. The box is just as standard. It's come in this delivery box. I've not opened it yet. So let's go ahead and see what we get inside this. So it comes in this beautiful fabric carry case. It has two handles on both sides. It has a zip going all across the top here. It says Raleno written here in beautiful writing, and the touch is very soft. Just a normal fabric carry case, but nevertheless it does feel quite good. This weighs about roughly, I'd say about 4 kg in total, so it's not that heavy. So let's go ahead and open up the zip and see what we get inside. So inside you have other bags in here which are also made out of this nice fabric, although the feel is a lot softer than the outside of the box and it's a lot more shinier. So in here you have the Velcro to open it. When you open it up, this first piece that you get here, which looks a bit like an umbrella, is the actual part where the light goes in. So you have the bulb going on here, and then this reflective material on the side, it just helps to even out the light around the room. On the other side here, you have the piece where it goes into the leg so it can stand on the floor. It comes with a 3-pin socket, so it's user friendly in the UK, and you also have the switch here for the light to turn it on and off. So you also get this piece as well, which is like a see-through piece. You can see my hand from here, which goes to the front of this umbrella looking like piece. And what that does is, if the light is too much, it helps you control the amount of light that comes out of it. And if it's suitable for smaller rooms, if you've got a smaller room and you don't need that much lighting, this would be good to use. Now of course this one here came with 2 lightings, so you get 2 of these umbrella pieces. This is the second one in the second bag, which I'm not going to open yet. I've already opened one and showed you guys, but it's basically exactly the same thing as what we got in the last one. So let's put this to the side. You also get a user manual along with it in many different languages, so when you have a bit of time, just read through this as well. Now you also get 2 of these white boxes. I'm assuming they're the same thing, so I'll put one to the side. Just open one for now and see what you get in here. I'm assuming it's going to be the light bulb. As I expected, you get the light bulb in it. It's quite a large light bulb. I've not seen one this big ever in my life. And this is an 85 watt, so it doesn't really consume that much energy, so it's quite energy efficient as well. You should get 2 of these. There's one, and the second one should be in here also. Makes sense to have 2 because you've got 2 stands and they both require a bulb, so there should be 2 bulbs. Yep, here's the second one. Again, quite a large bulb, and it's only 85 watts, so it's quite energy efficient. Now down to the final 2 pieces which you get in the box. I'm assuming these are going to be exactly the same, and I'm assuming that they are the legs. So let's get opening these. These are the heaviest pieces that you get in the entire box. And as I said, they are the legs. And in terms of how they open and the amount of movement that they give you, there we go, I've managed to do it. You have to apply a bit of pressure and then it becomes a bit easier. I think it was quite stiff at the start. And then here you have more of these pieces which loosen it so you can extend it. Extends quite a lot, to be honest. I wouldn't need it that much because my room isn't really that tall. But you have the other piece here which goes into the umbrella part, and then you tighten it from here. And here's the other box. You just get the same thing in here as well. So I will be using these in my videos because on quite a few videos, quite a few people were saying that I needed better lighting, and I agree, but these things, they take time and they cost money as well. Now this one was from Amazon. It was Amazon's choice. It had 4.5 stars out of 5, which for me is pretty good. And it cost me 60 quid, which isn't too bad on pricing as well. Some of these can cost a lot more, but for a setup, for an early start, I would recommend that at 60 quid is not too bad. You probably wouldn't get anything cheaper, but between the range of 60 and £100, you will get quite a few things, and this for me was the best rated one. So I'll be using these in my future videos, and hopefully you guys will enjoy my videos more.